First job of the day is a 2-lock Rekey. They just bought the home, and we have a key. I don't know. We had a key. We're not doing it. We did have a key. Well, we had one key. Which worked. Oh, there it is. Look at that. I was sitting on it. My fat ass was sitting on it. Alright, so this key works for here, which makes it nice and easy, but it does not work for here. No, this lock sits in this lock perfect like this. It's not upside down. So, before I take this apart, I remembered this side, this little C-piece. I call it a C-piece, part of the spindle. Left side up. In my head, that just makes sense. So, what we're going to do is we need this. Both of these guys. So, we're going to put this upright, so that tail piece is directly up at an angle, and this should slide right out. Now this is a spring piece right here. Get it up, and now with the tool, this tool, go up with the pressure, and about a centimeter in, you should feel it stop. That's you hitting the back of that spring. If you go any further, you should literally go that far. If you go any further, then it's too far. It's literally about here. And then pop. Alright. Take this C-clip off. And you know what we need to do as well? We need to get some keys ready. So, get some pins ready. So, we got a 5, and we got a 1. Come to our chart, we got a 2, 6, 4. We got 2 locks. We'll grab 2 pins. What was it? A 1? I think it's a 1, right? Yeah, 171. Next up, we have a 2 and a 3. 195 and a 3, which is a 219. And then we have a number 5, which is a number 264. So everything laid out. For this, we're going to use the lead sheet. We can use the KW1. And let's get a little bit of lighting for you guys. There we go. So when it's solid, give it a little push. That's what you want, a nice click. That's beautiful. 1. That's it. That is the lock open. Now this one has a little niche missing, so make sure it's flat the whole way. So when I push this through, lined up with that piece there, clean sweep, take out our old pins, put in our new key, and we've already got our pins lined up, right? So perfectly aligned, and just throw it back in, back at there, same way. Don't forget your C-clip, very important, I promise you. And that lock is Rekey. It's super easy because we have the key. pointy side facing down. Everything is flush again. Back in now. What I didn't record is me taking this out. All this was, remove the C-clip first, and then this will pop out. Now the fact that we want to put this in, you see it's got a little tongue, put that in. That little tongue is going to go in that little gap. And that'll spin just like that. Now we have two locks, Rekeys to the same key. We actually need to put this back in. Remember, left side up, just like so. Spindle. There we go. All right, now we're good to go. Just that two locks, quick Rekey, in and out. Job done.